BLK, BlackRock earnings. They start out the earnings this morning with a blowout quarter and a $37 up move. The 970 calls are paying big. They were $4 on the low. The high, 23. That is a monster home run. We own 10 of them at $5.50 and we sold out at $20. BlackRock kicked it off extremely on the hardcore bull side of the earnings equation. BLK is the trade of the month for October for us, and we can see the 30-minute gap and we can see the all-time high, and they rocked on the earnings. BLK, BlackRock, Larry Fink. We've issued it 100 times and we bought it before the earnings because we believe in it. And not only that, we are up huge on BLK bull case.